You're not tired from doing too much. You're tired from holding too much. You can sleep for hours and still wake up heavy, still feel slow, still feel like something is sitting on your chest. And it doesn't make sense because technically you rested, but your body didn't, because rest is not just physical, it's emotional, it's mental, it's the absence of tension. And most of the time you're carrying more than you realize. Unspoken thoughts, unprocessed feelings, things you push down just to keep going. Your body holds all of it, quietly, consistently, until one day it doesn't feel like you anymore. You don't need more sleep, you need release. So instead of asking, why am I so tired? Ask yourself, what am I still holding? You're allowed to let it go gently.